Welcome back to this channel for practice problems for actuarial exams. My name is Krzysztof Ostaszewski. You can find information about me at smarturl.it/Jedi. My advice on how to pass actuarial exams is at smarturl.it/pass. This video channel is at smarturl.it/pass actuarial exams. You can find information about online seminars and study manuals for exams PFM, IFM, and LTAM that I offer at these websites. I direct the actuarial program at Illinois State University. You can find information about it at smarturl.it/actuary. If you would like to offer a tax-deductible donation to support our students, please go to smarturl.it/help ISU actuary. Here's the problem for today. For exam P on the probability, the annual profit of a life insurance company is normally distributed. The probability that the annual profit does not exceed 2,000 is 0.7642. The probability that the annual profit does not exceed 3,000 is 0.9066. Calculate the probability that the annual profit does not exceed 1,000. And here's the solution. Let us write X for the random annual profit of this life insurance company. Let us also write mu for its mean and sigma for its standard deviation. Then we have this, that 0.7642 is known to be the probability that X is less than or equal to 2,000, which is the probability that X minus mu over sigma is less than or equal to 2,000 minus mu over sigma, which is the probability that a standard normal random variable is less than or equal to 2,000 minus mu over sigma, because X minus mu over sigma is standardized and X is normal, so X minus mu over sigma is a standard normal random variable. From the normal distribution table, we determined that the z-value corresponding to the probability 0.7642 is 0.72, so that 2,000 minus mu over sigma is equal to 0.72. And similarly, 0.9066, which is the probability that X is less than or equal to 3,000, is the probability that X minus mu over sigma is less than or equal to 3,000 minus mu over sigma, and that's the probability that Z, a standard normal random variable, is less than or equal to 3,000 minus mu over sigma, and then we look up in the table that 3,000 minus mu over sigma has to be equal to 1.32. Now we divide the equation 3,000 minus mu over sigma equals 1.32 by the equation 2,000 minus mu over sigma equals to 0.72 and obtain 3,000 minus mu over 2,000 minus mu is equal to 1.32 over 0.72, so that mu is equal to 1.32 over 0.72 times 2,000 minus 3,000 divided by 1.32 over 0.72 minus 1, and that's equal to 800 exactly. Then we know that 2,000 minus mu, which is 800, so 2,000 minus 800 over sigma is 0.72, so that sigma is equal to 1,200 divided by 0.72, which is approximately 1,666.66667. Of course, this is an infinite decimal with only sixes, and therefore we determine the probability sought using the normal distribution table as probability that X is less than or equal to 1,000 is the probability that X minus its mean, which is 800, divided by its standard deviation, which is 1,666.66667 approximately, is less than or equal to 1,000 minus 800 over 1,666.66667. And that's equal to the probability that Z is less than or equal to 0.12, which we look up in the table as 0.5478. That's answer C. Please remember this is copyrighted material. The problem itself belongs to the Society of Actuaries. The solution is mine. Good luck in your studies and good luck on